Assalamualaikum, my name is Aisyah binti Kamarudin. So today I will explain how I fix this network topology step by step. First, I check all the computers and laptops. I manually enter the correct IP address, subnet mask and default gateway for every host based on the table given. Devices on the left side under LAN 1 use the gateway 192.168.1.1 and devices on the right side under LAN 2 use the gateway 192.168.4.1. Next, I configure the routers. I open the CLI on router 2. I went into interface gigabyte internet 0/0/0 and set the IP to 10.0.0.1. Then, I went into interface gigabyte internet 0/0/1 and set the IP to 192.168.1.1. Now, for the middle core router 1, I went into interface gigabyte internet 0/0/0 and gave it to the IP 10.0.0.2. After that, I went into interface gigabyte internet 0/0/1 and give it to IP 10.0.0.5. I use no shutdown command here as well to active the core 1 links. The last router to configure is router 3. On the right side, I configure interface gigabyte internet 0/0/0 with the IP 10.0.0.6 and interface gigabyte internet 0/0/1 with the IP 192.168.4.1. I ran the no shutdown command. As you can see on the map, all the right cable lights now have turned green. Even though the cables are green, the routers still do not know how to send data to the opposite network. So, I add static routing using the IP route command. On router 2, I add a route to the right network via netshope 10.0.0.2. On router 1, I add two routes so it knows both the left and right side. On router 3, I add a route back to the left network via netshope, which is 10.0.0.5. Finally, let's test the network connectivity. I open the command prompt on PC A and ping server A at 192.168.4.5. The first time I ping, it dropped a bit because of our ARP, but on the second try, the ping is a 100% success with 0% packet loss. Next, I use the traceset command to check the exact path. The result shows the data passes through 4 steps perfectly, from our gateway, through the middle routers, and straight to the server A without any drops. This proves that our network is now fully fixed and functional.